Hi guys. Um, I'm just being goofy right now. Um, I'm listening to Tamia officially missing you. I don't know if you guys can hear this or not, but let's see. I dedicate this song to Kamani Johnson. Um, I miss him. I do. Oh, I don't think you can hear the song, but I can hear it. And Tamia got vocals. Officially missing you. Uh, I'm officially missing you. From this heartache I could escape, but I've fronted long enough to know that there ain't no way. And today I'm officially missing you. Can't nobody do it like you. Said